Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. I am going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is determinants. Find the value of determinant of cos 15 degree, sin 15 degree, sin 75 degree, cos 75 degree. So, first you have to multiply this one. That is, you have to take it as delta. That is cos 15 degree, sin 15 degree, sin 75 degree, cos 75 degree. So multiplying cos 15 degree, cos 75 degree minus sin 15 degree, sin 75 degree. We know that cos of A plus B equal to cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B, minus sin A, sin B. So now this is of the form cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. In the place of A you are having 15 degree. In the place of B you are having 75 degree. Therefore what is the value? This is cos of 15 degree plus 75 degree. So what is cos 90 degree? What is cos 90 degree? It is 0. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.